video, my people. Like and share this video and also subscribe to this channel. You get my point? Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. So now record an empty background for up to 5 seconds or so. You get my point? Now you're walking. The main part you need to record is your face. So if you can record just from your neck upward, it's fine. When you are done, you save the video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded to Capcut. You get my point? So now this is the empty background. So I'm going to split, tap on the video layer, tap on split. Then go and look for overlay. Now click on overlay. Look at it here. When you click on it, just bring it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So now tap on the empty background you recorded. That's the first layer here. Then go and look for freeze. You get my point? Look for freeze. Look at freeze. Yes. Now click on freeze. Tap on it. So now tap on this freeze layer. Just drag it to the end of the video. Don't know if you get my point. So guys, please like and share this video so YouTube recommend it to many other people. You get my point? So from this particular point where the character wants to set his neck, it's where I will tap on the second video layer and then split and delete it. So I'm trying to set it from this point here. So I'll just tap on the layer, tap on split, then I will delete the beginning of the video. So this is where I want it to start from. You get my point? So now let's go to the ending part of the video. So I will just split and delete the unwanted part also. I don't know if you get my point. Just follow it step by step, you will be able to do it. So from this particular part here, so I'll tap on video layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of the video. So you have to tap on the second layer, then drag it away from the beginning of the video so that the snake will be able to come in. Understand? You know the video is starting with a snake, so you just drag it somewhere like what you're seeing on your screen like this. So to bring the snake effect, you tap on add overlay right here. Look at it here, you click on it. Understand? So now you import the effect right here. Understand? So just let it play so you'll be able to see the snake. Then you go and look for remove BG, tap on it, tap on chroma key. Understand? Now move the circle to where to show green, something like this. Then you increase the intensity to 60. Just move it to 60. Understand? So you can increase the shadow to 50. Then you tap on OK. You get my point? So now tap on the snake layer right here. Understand? Just bring it to the beginning of the video. So that's just it, guys. So from here you tap on the snake layer. Now expand it to fit to screen. Just place your finger on your screen, then drag it to fit to screen. So this is something I believe you like what you see. Just comment, say something about this video in the comment section. So guys, this particular part where the snake is covering the character, some people might wonder what's going to happen here. Don't worry. Understand? So now tap on the character layer, that's the second layer. Go and look for remove BG. Click on it, tap on remove BG, tap on custom remover. So when you see it like this, you are going to use the brush button, but you have to click on the play button so the video will play till when it reveals the character. You understand? Something like this. So you can now see the character in full. So you click on brush. You can decide to play with the brush size right here. Then you use your finger to just paint your face. Understand? Just paint it carefully. Just make sure you try to align it. So just paint it, and then when you are done with the painting, understand, it will take a little time before it will remove other part of the body, because all we need is just the head. Understand? So just the head we need. So when you are done with the painting, it will take a little time to remove the background completely. Understand? So now you can see the background removed. So you click on this OK button. You get my point? So now let's see, look at it here. Understand? We have just the head. So you can now tap on the layer and then move the head to anywhere you want it to go, just like what you see me do now on screen. So you can now move it to any direction, anywhere you want it to be. So now what you will do right here is for you to move the head and make sure the snake covers the head, understand? So just look at something like this. I'm going to tap on the character layer, then move it, just move it down, something like this, just move it down. Then when you move it down to a point where you cannot see it again, then you tap on keyframe, add keyframe at the beginning of the character layer, move the video a bit, understand? Then move the head a little bit, just move it up a little bit so it will start revealing itself. So you keep on doing like that. Just move the video a bit, move the character's head high a bit, understand? Keyframe will be added automatically. I believe you understand, you get my point. So that's how you're going to do till you reveal the whole head, understand? Just position it where you think fit for this particular video, understand? So that's just it on that particular one. So now you will have to tap on the snake layer, tap on split right here, you get my point? Go and look for mask. Where is mask? See mask, click on mask. So now click on horizontal, see horizontal here, understand? So turn it upside down, just turn it upside down, understand? So you can play with this feather button, something like this. Just play with it somewhere like this. Don't make it really reveal too transparent. I don't know if you understand. Just a little, something like what you see me do here on screen. So you can leave it right here. Now click on this OK button, you get my point? So when you are done, you click on the second layer, which is the character layer. You see, you have to play around with this particular place. You know, the snake is not steady. As the snake is moving towards this side, you move the head towards that side, so it will align with the video. You have a clean video. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, just like what I'm doing on screen. But if you get my point, let me know you get my point. So you just have to move it. Once you touch the character layer, if you move it, automatically keyframe will be added. So that's how you are going to do, and there is nothing much again about this video. So when you are done with all these settings, you can now come to the ending part of the video and then adjust it. Make sure everything aligns together, just like this particular point here. So guys, from here you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.